What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to download and install Steam on your laptop and PC, and trust me, the process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to head over to your laptop or your PC. Now on your laptop or PC, you want to head over to any browser of your choice. In my case, I'll be using the Google Chrome browser over here. Just go ahead and open it up. Make sure you're actually connected to the internet at this particular point. Now once your browser opens up, at the top search bar, you want to go ahead and just search for Steam and then just click on the enter button. And from the search results, you want to just select the first link over here, which is the official Steam website. Just go ahead and select it. Now once the website opens up, as you can see, it is actually store.steampowered.com. Now you want to proceed to click on the install button at the top right corner of the browser. So just click on install Steam from over here. And then you want to just scroll down and then go ahead and click on install Steam for Windows. The website automatically dictates the device you're using and gives you the download button for that particular device. So click on install Steam, and automatically on the right hand side you can literally see that the Steam app has just been downloaded into our Windows laptop or PC. Now you can go ahead and open it up directly from here, or alternatively you can just go over to your file explorer, and from under downloads over here you should be able to find the Steam file that has just been downloaded into our laptop or PC. Now just go ahead and open it up directly from here, or you can just open it up from the browser. And this is actually going to start up the setup process. Now first things first, you'll be asked whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click on yes, and then you can now proceed with the setup process. So go ahead and click on next. Now you want to select your language. I'll be using English over here. Then click on next. Now just go ahead and click on install. This is actually where the file will be installed on your laptop or PC. And just like so, this is now going to install Steam into our laptop. At this point, you want to go ahead and click on Run Steam. Make sure the check button is selected, then just click on the Finish Setup over here. Now, this is actually going to take a couple of minutes to update the Steam website and download all of the necessary files that is needed for you to be able to use the Steam app on your laptop or PC. So you want to give it some few seconds. Now, once it is completed, the Steam app should have been downloaded and installed into your laptop or PC. At this point, what you want to do is to go ahead and close your file explorer. Just close the browser at this point, and you should be able to find the Steam app on your laptop or PC over here. You can go ahead and open it up directly from here, and you'll be prompted to sign into your Steam account or create an account if you do not already have an account. Keep in mind, if you're new to Steam, creating an account is absolutely free, and if you want to do that, just go ahead and click on the create a free account option over here, and then you want to just proceed to fill in all of the information over here. So enter your email, and then just make sure you also click on the check button at the bottom over here, then click on continue. Now once you have successfully created a Steam account or signed into your Steam account, you can now proceed to use Steam on your laptop or PC. If you already have certain games on your Steam library, you can go ahead and start playing them, or you can just go ahead and purchase any game directly from here if you want to. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.